What's up, guys? Coming to you from my living room this evening, and I wanted to take a minute to talk about some fertilizers that are probably floating around your house. Plants are going to need a lot of the same minerals, nutrients, and nutrition that humans do, so you may be surprised at some of the stuff you can use to perk up your plants. Number one is molasses. I usually go for the unsulfured organic molasses, but plants are going to put out sugar in their root zone, and so when you add sugar, it actually encourages the bacteria to really go crazy in the soil. Also, there's some trace minerals in molasses and really a good plant fertilizer. Usually you want to not use more than about a tablespoon per gallon on that, and I usually even will use a little less, but molasses is a really good one. This one's pretty common. Just your coffee grounds. Now, coffee grounds are going to be good for really any plant that you can think of. What I usually end up doing is just sprinkling them on the top around the base of the plant in a top dress format. Also, coffee grounds tend to attract earthworms. Number three, pasta or potato water. After you're done boiling the pasta or boiling the potatoes, that water is also filled with all those starches that the microbiology in the soil is going to love. As long as you didn't use too much salt in there, you can put that directly into your plants. Now, number four, same thing, except for this is going to have some more carbohydrate as well as protein. When you open that can of beans, whether it's chickpeas or whether it is red beans or kidney beans, you can put that leftover bean juice into your plants, and that is actually going to be some nutrition for it. And number five, I actually have done a lot of this, and that's juice pulp from juicing. Some things are going to be better than others, like celery, carrots. You can actually just take that stuff, bury it in the ground, put it under your mulch, or even sprinkle it right on top. It's going to feed the microbiology in your soil. Another thing that you might want to consider too that you may have is Epsom salt. Epsom salt is really high in magnesium, which your flowering and blooming plants are going to love. If you guys have anything to add to the list, add it in the comments. If you have any questions, let me know too. Have a good night, guys.